At the dawn of the 20th century, the greatest existential threat to the rapidly growing modern city was fire. Densely packed timber buildings, gas lighting, and industrial machinery created environments where a single spark could, and routinely did, incinerate entire city blocks. The civil engineering world desperately needed a solution. They found it in a naturally occurring silicate mineral. It was cheap to mine, easy to weave, and most importantly, it was fundamentally impervious to heat. Welcome to the Cobra Paradox. Today we're looking at a catastrophic failure of optimization. How the discovery of a miracle mineral engineered to save millions from burning to death silently triggered one of the deadliest public health crises in modern history. To understand the tragedy, you have to understand the material science. Asbestos is not a synthetic chemical, it is a geological phenomenon. Its crystalline structure makes it an extraordinary insulator. It resists electricity, repels water, and cannot burn. For materials engineers, it was the perfect variable. And because it was perfect, it was deployed everywhere. It was woven into the brake linings of automobiles, mixed into the cement of water pipes, sprayed into the hulls of Navy ships, and packed into the walls of elementary schools. It was even used as artificial snow on Hollywood movie sets. The paradox isn't that engineers were malicious. It's that they optimized the world for a single variable, fire resistance, while remaining entirely blind to human biology. The exact physical properties that made asbestos indestructible in a building made it lethal inside a human lung. When asbestos materials degrade, they become friable, releasing microscopic, aerodynamic fibers into the air. Once inhaled, these crystalline needles lodge deep within the pleural lining. The human immune system treats them as foreign bodies. Macrophages attempt to dissolve the fibers, but because asbestos is chemically impervious, the defense cells destroy themselves in the process. Over decades, this continuous cycle of cellular death and severe inflammation results in massive tissue scarring, known as asbestosis, and triggers aggressive genetic mutations, leading to mesothelioma. The material engineered to protect human life was slowly suffocating it from the inside out. You cannot simply throw asbestos away. Today, modern infrastructure management involves a multi-billion-dollar remediation industry. We now treat our own homes, schools, and civic buildings as toxic waste sites. Specially trained crews must create negative air pressure environments and wear pressurized biological suits just to safely dismantle the exact safety infrastructure our predecessors proudly installed. Whether it's concrete, water, or minerals, the pattern repeats. The asbestos miracle teaches us a brutal lesson. When we optimize a system for a single variable without understanding its broader biological or environmental context, we often engineer our own destruction. And our blind spots aren't always accidental. Next time, we're looking at industrial design. How engineers shifted from building machines that last forever to intentionally designing products that are mathematically guaranteed to fail. Every week, engineering analysis, pattern recognition, uncomfortable truths. Subscribe if you want to understand the systems shaping the modern world. This is the Cobra Paradox.